If AI can generate ideas in seconds, what makes human creativity different?
In a world where AI can generate answers in seconds, the real mystery is how humans still create ideas that have never existed before. Your brain does something more than calculate, it combines memories, emotions, imagination, and meaning into something new. Today, we explore the neuroscience of creativity, because in the AI age, original thinking may become one of the most valuable human strengths.
So, what does that actually mean?
Creativity and divergent thinking mean your brain can generate multiple possibilities instead of just one correct answer. It is the ability to connect ideas that do not seem related at first and see patterns others miss. In an AI-driven world that can predict and repeat patterns, humans who can imagine new paths, ask unexpected questions, and design fresh solutions will shape the future. Understanding this may be one of the most important skills for thriving in the AI age.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, creativity grows through neuroplasticity, which allows your brain to form new neural pathways each time you explore an idea differently. Your default mode network activates when you daydream or imagine, while your prefrontal cortex helps organize and refine those ideas into something usable. The hippocampus brings together past memories, the amygdala adds emotional color, and dopamine circuits reward the excitement of discovering something new. When you practice brainstorming, questioning, and experimenting, these systems strengthen together, turning imagination into a reliable skill instead of a random moment.
How does this show up in real life?
At school, creativity shows up when you solve a problem in a different way instead of copying the example exactly. In friendships, it appears when you think of new ways to support someone or resolve conflict with empathy and originality. Under stress and constant technology use, your brain may default to fast answers instead of imaginative exploration. In future careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, the ability to generate fresh solutions and adapt creatively will separate leaders from followers.
So, small equals big?
Yes, every small creative risk is like planting a seed in a mental garden that grows over time. At first, one new idea seems small, but repeated exploration builds stronger neural networks that make originality easier and faster. Tiny habits of asking, "What if?" slowly shape your character into someone curious, flexible, and innovative. Over years, that mindset compounds into career strength, because organizations and communities will depend on people who can design what does not yet exist.
So, how do I start?
Start with one thinking step, which is asking yourself to generate 3 different answers instead of stopping at the first one. Add one feeling step, which is allowing curiosity instead of judging your ideas too quickly, because creativity needs psychological safety. Then add one behavior step, which is setting aside 5 minutes each day to sketch, brainstorm, journal, or imagine without pressure. Practice this consistently, and your creative circuits will strengthen just like a muscle that grows from repetition.
What should we do today?
Today, choose one ordinary problem and come up with 3 unusual solutions before acting on any of them. Share your ideas with a parent, friend, or sibling so your brain practices explaining and expanding them. Notice how it feels to stretch beyond the first answer, because that stretches your neural pathways expanding. These small experiments prepare you for a future where human imagination will guide technology instead of being replaced by it. Every original idea begins as a small spark in the brain that grows through repetition and courage. Each time you practice divergent thinking, you strengthen neural wiring that makes you more adaptable and future-ready. In the AI age, your creativity is not optional, it is your human edge and your contribution to the world. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.